never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Welcome back to the channel, my peeps. datmisehtv. This is another Vlogmas, right? Another prayers. These are not around right now. She's in the UK, going to attend a funeral. Yeah, her grandmother passed off. So she can pay her respect. But me there. There, man. So right now, me at the bush, you know. I cook some chicken foot soup. Me and the man them. And some man up on the corner, I cook some chicken foot soup. And if I tell you, the baddest thing around here. So make you know what I go on. Holy faith, life great. That me say. Yeah, dumpling for the soup, that you know. Right there. And I work man off in food. Right there and then. A segment there. A segment in them dumpling, you know. In the pot. See that? The leaf that in there, you know, that tastes nice with leaf. You never eat something you dumpling with leaf. But yeah, about this man, the man doesn't leaf, you know, man, never taste it. It's work like cinnamon in a porridge, you know. Yeah. Yeah. You need them flour there, you know. And get the thing going, you know. I must say, our flour different from everybody else's flour, you know. Our flour have cement in it, you know. Yeah. Only country you go and get tough dumpling is Jamaica. Yes. Cement, not the flour. Yeah. Something in dumpling.
I want the Johnny cake.
Yeah. I want to go Johnny cake. You know what I go on the side there, you know.
Look like this.
Brother. No, sir. You go harder now, man.
Look like this.
You call that Johnny cake? Johnny cake, the big and dumpling, man.
Look there.
Something there. Johnny cake, man, say, you know. That's him do all ago. Johnny cake, he make dumpling first and he make Johnny cake after. So two things in that pot. Dumpling and Johnny cake. Yes, man. That's something in yellow yam. You know one of the baddest things that in soup down. Yeah. One of the baddest things in soup, see him there? Yellow yam. I'll show you what I go on the dumpling side, we soon reach you. Yeah. Slice up the brother there. Right there. So man and do it nice soup, brother. With a busha. Sweeter. Yeah man, you go to yellow yam man. Yellow yam that dry like sun hot. Watch that. Oh. I do the thing different there, man. Right there. I swear. Yeah, me peep. Watch out now. Our chicken food soup, the man them say. See it there? Full up of soup. Watch there. And then normal something. Yeah man, chef know if you go park cover. There's something there. See it there? 2 pot of chicken food soup. Everything in a group. And see some girl that play hula hoop. See it there? Story that. The lucky thing we never curry that. Yeah, babe. Yeah man, that's the thing there. We never drop it. What a bush there, you know? 2 pot of soup, man. Man, them a work. And no chicken with a jerk. Right there. And then, yes, that's something there. Get the right flavor when you finish, you know. Never drop it.
That's it there.
Happy, man. Happy. Something, yeah.
What that is?
No, what's that? It's a man pot. It's a man utensil that, you know. See there? It's a one-man utensil that, you know. Bucket deal. Man never short of meal. Watch it. No pass it on now. Man, you take it. See there? A man take it there, man.
Yo, Sam, sit me here.
Oh, it's the next man plate there now. See them plate there? Now bush there, man. Soup you cook in the bush, man. See there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a half a water buckle that, you know. Yeah, I show you some soup in a half a water buckle. Yeah, cut that not to and use. It work. And the chicken with a jerk. Right there.
Yes, you know?
My food that I share right now, see there? Yes, the soup ready, chicken food soup. Why I said enough of it in a group? See there? Huh? Oh, that's something they did there, man. Eat the food, man. Man work, man, for eat. Yes, sir. Life sweet. Yeah, soup out of bush, me say. Soup out of what? Where you say, man, belly full like a joke around here, man. Man, me fi tell you. Yeah, my about that. No, I never say this, you know. Pear in a soup. Pear in a soup, man. The thing in the same group.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.